How to become a data scientist from scratch. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to start your career as a data scientist from scratch, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm about to reveal the secrets of kickstarting your career in the highly sought-after data science field. Let's first consider the global job market for a moment. In the backdrop of the COVID-19 pandemic crisis in 2020, every sector had been negatively affected. But many businesses are looking forward with hope and positivity in 2021. On the positive front, tech companies have been largely unaffected by this crisis, and the good news is tech companies are expected to grow this year. Today, I'm going to share with you some useful tips on how to become a data scientist from scratch. Tip 1. Determine the data science role that suits you best. This tip is vital. Data science is a huge field and covers virtually every business sector. Hence, choosing a career path in data science is not straightforward. There are so many job roles you can choose from, and when you're starting from scratch, it's quite intimidating to be confronted with so many different choices. Data analyst, data scientist, machine learning scientist, business analyst, data statistician, advanced analytics professional, data engineer or data architect, big data engineer, data and analytics manager, machine learning engineer, database administrator, business intelligence professional, and data ecologist. Yes, there are several other job titles in data science as well, and each job entails the management and manipulation of data in a unique manner. So the different responsibilities in each role can be rather confusing. The data science job role that suits you best is largely dependent on your academic background as well as your work experience. For instance, if you have a strong background in computer science and programming, you'll find it somewhat easier if you opt for a career as a machine learning engineer. Likewise, if you have a background in finance, you'll find it easy to transition into a career as a business analyst. And if you're an MBA, the role of a business intelligence professional is best suited for you. The main point is you need to be clear about the career path you want to take. Ideally, you should be playing to your strengths. That is, based on your core skills and academic proficiency or the skills that appeal to you most, you should look closely at all the available options. The best way to proceed are evaluating your strengths. Be honest here. Based on your assessment, identify the job role that aligns the best with your specialty and interests. Be extra cautious if you're changing fields. Undertake a thorough analysis of the job role you would be comfortable with. Also, consider whether or not that role would really interest you. Working with a mentor or a career coach. This is an intelligent career move and the best thing you can do for your professional growth. A mentor will quickly walk you through the right steps you'll need to take. A career coach will take a different approach. They will present you with a set of actions to take. Typically, these actions will include taking up a course or applying for a specific role. Getting in touch with professionals who are already employed in the specific job role that interests you. Connecting via LinkedIn is a safe approach. This is a great strategy to get a foothold in the data science field. Identify the job roles that are in demand. Also, find out about specific skills that each one of these job roles requires. Mistakes you need to avoid. 1. Jumping hastily into a career path without in-depth research. 2. Failing to evaluate whether a job role you choose would be the perfect match for your long-term, not short-term, data science career goals. Tip number 2. Take up data science courses that are most relevant to your chosen job role and then complete them. Now that you have a clear understanding of the job role that suits you best, the next step is to make a sincere effort to acquire the skills that this role entails. The demand for data science specialists is huge. Therefore, there are all sorts of courses and programs, long-term, short-term, and ultra-short-term, available. You can choose the most relevant ones from them. Finding suitable material to learn from isn't a challenge, but you still need to put in consistent effort to learn. Only then can you hope to complete the course or program you decide to pursue. You can find plenty of free data science courses too, but they cover the most basic concepts at best. Hence, taking up a paid course is the right strategy to become a data scientist from scratch. Importantly, you need to ensure you complete the work you take up. The reason is, successful completion of a course will help you demonstrate your expertise in the area that you've chosen. Put in your best effort and follow the course material diligently. Complete all the course-related assignments, homework, and exercises too. You'll gain a clearer understanding of your chosen niche only when you start learning a course right from the beginning and proceed to the end. Your data science learning journey need not be difficult at all. This is especially true if you've chosen the right data science courses to study. Research the various choices you have. Answering the following questions will help you determine a simple learning path for you. 1. Which platform would be right for me to learn? 2. Which data science language would be right? 3. Which hands-on mini projects should I focus on? And 4. Which are the best courses to study first? The answers to the first two questions are obvious. AI science courses on Thinkific platform and Python. I will tell you about the data science courses you need to learn first, regardless of the job role you decide to choose. I will also quickly discuss the advantages of these courses. The main benefit of all these courses is that you can seek the support of instructors. In all these learning by doing courses, you get an opportunity to work on the mini projects included in the course curriculum. You don't need to take the courses in the order listed here. You can take them in any order you desire. All of them are beginner-level courses, and they are designed to help you understand the topics easily, and you can make steady progress. A. Mastering Python Machine Learning from Scratch, 34 lessons. This ultra-short course is a beginner course in data science, AI, regression, and machine learning. This course is one of the best to get your feet wet in data science techniques. This course covers the basics of machine learning algorithms, supervised and unsupervised learning, linear regression, logistics regression, dimensionality reduction, and many more data science concepts. You'll learn the fundamental concepts of data science first. Then the focus will shift to different machine learning and data science algorithms. The course culminates with a brief induction to deep learning. B. Python Machine Learning Crash Course for Beginners, 50 lessons. This is another short course that will teach you how to leverage the power of machine learning to solve everyday challenges in the workplace. You learn the foundational concepts in detail first. Then you proceed to more complex concepts. In this course, you will learn about the implementation of an important data science technique, face recognition application. You'll also get an opportunity to implement a few mini projects in live coding sessions, and you will gain the confidence to implement a variety of data science projects. C. Python for Data Science and Data Analysis, 89 lessons. In this practical learning course, you will learn the basics of Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Bokeh, and scikit-learn. The best way for you to learn Python is by doing what you learn. So, you'll find the series of mini projects included in this course quite useful. The main advantage of this course is you can build a foundational knowledge of the most common data science techniques. The code-along and challenging assignments in this course will help you learn the Python syntax you will use in the real world. D. Data Understanding and Data Visualization with Python, 78 lessons. Python is the hottest programming language for data science. In this course, you will learn 3 important data science techniques: Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for data processing, and visualize using Matplotlib, Bokeh, and Seaborn. You start by learning the theoretical section of a data visualization concept. You then implement everything practically using Python. You also implement many mini projects in live coding sessions. Successful completion of these 4 courses will give you a robust foundational knowledge of data science techniques. All these knowledge-packed courses are designed to equip you to excel as a data science professional. The next step is to focus on developing specialized data science skill sets. There are several other advanced courses you can pursue on the AI Sciences Thinkific platform. You can choose these courses based on the data science job role that interests you. Tip number 3. Update your data science knowledge constantly. I saved this tip for the end for a reason. Data science is undoubtedly one of the fastest evolving fields today. In this fast-changing field, what was relevant in 2019 is no longer relevant in 2021. This is the reason you need to keep updating your knowledge. Data science blogs present you with the simplest and most cost-effective way to learn more about this field. You can gain an inside perspective on everything related to how to become a data scientist from scratch. You also get an opportunity to stay informed of the most recent happenings within the industry. Joining a peer group is yet another cost-effective way to update your data science knowledge. A peer group will keep you motivated. Staying motivated to learn all the time is a decisive factor when you are keen on starting a data science career from scratch. You can also have compelling technical discussions online. Some of the best online forums that present you with a favorable environment include Analytics Vidya, Our Team for Data Analysis, DataQuest, Data Scientists, and Stack Exchange. If you're interested in learning more about starting a data science and AI career, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and machine learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.